That means you can play again. Oh, reverse again? Wait a second. So, I'm here playing this card game with Jennifer. We have our 3-2-1 out game, and we're going to be creating that in this series of videos. Now this card game, I actually built it from scratch. I'm going to show you exactly the steps that I used to make this game. We're going to make 4 different types of regular cards and 3 different types of special cards. Regular cards are going to be a heart card. We also have the paw card. We have the blob card. And we have the hand card. Although in this series I might not use those 4 types of cards. We might make 4 different cards. Then we also have the reverse card. And what that does, it reverses the order of play. We also have the +2. And we don't have the +3 or +4 like the Uno game does, because we're basing it off of an older game. And we also have the recycle. And what the recycle does is I can trade hands with anybody, even myself, at any time I play this card. And there's only 2 of these in the game, so you don't have much of a chance of getting your cards swapped. So those are the cards that we're going to make in this game. Hopefully you'll go through, make your own deck, get it printed. I did mine at thegamecrafter.com, and we'll see you at the other end.